This is a demonstration video showing results from calculations done with the code CARACS. Please visit our homepage at www.caracs.com. In this video, 2 runs are done with CARACS for calculating the results. The wheel images are a collection of polar plots where you have 0-degree elevation in the outer ring going up to 30 degrees in the inner ring close to the center of the wheel. The RCS value is displayed in color scale with black as the lowest value and red as the highest value. The image to the left is done on a normal C-buoy with the corners above each other. The middle wheel image shows the results from a C-buoy where the upper part is turned 45 degrees. The image to the right shows the CARACS hotspot calculation of the last C-buoy. From the 2 wheel images you can make a conclusion. The second C-buoy to have much better RCS properties. It is more often seen by a radar and do only have a little black areas where it's difficult to see for a radar. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that you enjoyed our demonstration video. The other videos will show you other features of the CARACS package.